I'm Ray Patterson. I'm Manager of Community Affairs for Richmond Sports Backers. So what we've instituted this year is a 10K shuttle program that leaves out of the Diamond as well as City Stadium. We're hoping to move 7,500 people from those two locations into downtown. We'll start the 10K shuttles operating at 6:30 in the morning. We'll drop you off at a designated spot on Canal Street, a few blocks from Monroe Park. And you'll walk from there over to the start line, and whatever your time is, whatever time you finish, you'll be able to get back on a shuttle bus. We recommend that you plan to be at either City Stadium or at the Diamond 1 hour before your start time. Give yourself an hour. You can buy your tickets at the 10K Expo, which will be at the Ash Center, which is Thursday and Friday prior to the race. We are not charging you for the parking. It's $5 for the bus ride. And we know that it's a challenge to find a parking deck, to find on-street parking. So we're offering this as an opportunity to get you there free of the hassle of trying to find a parking space. We've got enough for 7,500 people to get on the bus and go into downtown and run the event.